Hello, in this video I'm going to share with you the features of Talk and HUD video feedback. Firstly, you can record it at your computer. Open your application of choice, select the camera use and deselect screen recording. Then start the recording. After the recording, the feedback provider's face will be shown here. Then you can start to edit your recording. Cut the video track as desired, add annotations, text boxes, or titles for enhanced visualization and structure. Finally, you can export your recording to share it with others. Using a standard format such as MP4 is recommended. Send the video to the recipient. You can use different methods. The second option is recording at mobile phone. Firstly, you can open the application you want to use. You can start to record your feedback. After recording your feedback, you can save it to share it with the others on different applications.